Alright, welcome back to another H1Z1 or Z1 low frame rate or however you want to call it. And I just spawned, I just started a new game because I died last episode. And I came across this, oh god.
Hey.
I don't know how to use the voice
Where you
chat,
going?
and I probably should know.
I'm just out. I'm trying to kill you.
I found some backpack and a hatchet, which I hope he doesn't see. I hope he doesn't like think I'm gonna kill him, which I would never do. Okay, it seems like a lot. Sorry. It seems like there's a lot of people here, and people like to kill other. So, oh my god, excuse me. Sorry. Alright, so these guys are like shooting each other. So, and he was following me, so I'm just gonna run away because he has a pistol. Yep. There we go. Oh, he missed. He's probably gonna die now. Okay, well, let's check this place out and then we'll go over there. I'll forget damn, but I'll go over there and stuff. We'll ignore those gunshots. Is that a rifle? Dang. Well, I don't need so many good sticks. How much does it take to like? 1,500. I can't even pick this up. But can I put it in my primary? I can. Do I have any bullets for it? Is the question. I can't even like take it out. Why do I have a stick? Why can't I? Okay, there we go. I don't have any shots for it though. So I guess we found a sniper. No shots in it. Bullets. So I mean, not a bad start. That's for sure. Finding a gun, which is good, is always good. I'm not even search these because there's never anything in it. And watch, there's gonna be something. Nope. No point of me really exploring. There was no bullets in here. Let's just look at this first person. Oh, it's fantastic. Okay, let's not show people we have that because they may want it. Leading to my death. Alright. Can I drive this car? I can't. Where do I want to go? I could go back on the road up here. Keep adventuring up the road. Alright, so we'll come to this town. It's gonna go park this over here. I do not have anything, no need to shoot me. Alright, let's go. So hopefully they won't be able to see it, or they think it's just like a exploded thing. Hopefully. I'm getting some crazy frame rate for no reason. Come on. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. Nothing. I want to find like the fire station or something. So let's not explore every single house. Hello, anybody? Anybody? Alright, I'll take that. This looks like a big house. I want to find bullets. That's what I want to find at the moment. Oh, if you could so kindly pop up randomly because there'd be bullets in the town. I don't think there's anything here, to be honest. Where am I going? Let's check this. I'm not gonna take that, just because I do not know what it does, so I don't wanna waste the space. Alright, whoa, calm down there. Alright. Bullets. So we wanna, if we wanna bypass this town, I think go straight that way, and see what. Alright. So I found a town. I'm getting crazy frame rate. I don't know why. Found this town. Very scary. Problem with having a car. And people also. Oh, I want it. I'm just trying to find out like that. I'm trying to like not make my computer explode right now. Let's go explode this. Okay, I found a person and he has a shotgun and I'm running. I'm running away. Oh, yes, sir. Demon lag. Alright, let's go. We don't want any business. You can take the car, man. Let's go upstairs. Oh, that's cool. Is that him? I heard him when I went in the building. Yeah, I was thinking it was a zombie, maybe. Alright, those gunshots. Again. That's very questioning. Alright, let me head back down. Guys, killed a zombie. Got shot, I think, by a sniper or a rifle, I don't know. And there's my police car. Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, there's signs. Well, I'm gonna end the episode here. Not have the best run. I mean, I got some cool stuff. There's a lot of stuff in that zombie. I caught combat knife, arrows, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Probably bullets. But yeah, I don't know how long this video is. Hopefully it's like a good 10 minutes, but I do not know. Thank you guys so much for watching my H1Z1 video, and as always,